Steve Gordon not helping things. That one is ripped to left, and that's going to be a base hit. Yelich is being waved, and he will come in to score. RBI single from Justin Bour. He's driven in 29 runs this season, and Miami's up 2-0 here in the 6th.
Boy, Bour takes this ball the opposite way. They've got the shift on him. It's a slider, maybe a slider or a cutter. Anyway, it's elevated. He stays inside it. And you can see Amarista playing over towards second base bag. He inside outs that ball. Yelich gets the green light. And with the way the defense was playing, I think that's just mislocation on that pitch from Tyson.